If it's snow in Gulmarg and Sonmarg, it's ice on the Dal Lake. Kashmir has turned into a mini winter wonderland. It's freezing cold out here, and I'm on the banks of the famous Dal Lake. It's early morning, not an easy task, but just to show you the intensity of the cold we have come here, show you the ice, which is an unbelievable phenomenon. Many tourists, many people come here just to witness Dal turning into ice. While it's slowly doing that right now, a thick layer of ice is enveloping the Dal Lake. Just to show you this unique phenomena, just look at the thick sheet of ice. I mean, it takes a lot of effort to break it. And for these shikaras, the shikarawalas who have to go about their business, they have to brave this intense freezing cold. They use chappus to break this ice and wade their shikara through this. So this is the kind of life at the Dal Lake. But just to give you an idea of the kind of cold that Kashmir Valley is witnessing, it is absolutely freezing, and as the night temperatures are plummeting because of open skies, this freeze is only going to get even more intense. In the coming days, you can see a thicker sheet of ice on the Dal Lake. So this is the kind of cold Kashmir is witnessing. And if you move out of Srinagar to say mountainous belts where small rivers, water bodies, jharnas have absolutely frozen. So this deep freeze is only increasing, and if IMD is to be believed, since open skies are predicted in the coming days, so these minus temperatures are going to further go down. It can touch -6, -7 in the coming days, and no western disturbance in sight in the coming days. So no snowfall, clear skies, which will mean deep freeze. Now this is a phenomena that the tourists are enjoying. They come here to see this, although it's not easy. Let me tell you, my hands are numb. I can hardly face my face. It's absolutely freezing here right now. But this is the kind of once-in-a-lifetime experience that the tourists come to feel, experience, take pictures, videos, etc. And there were some brave tourists who were here doing exactly the same thing. Taking shikara ride into the Dal Lake right now is not for amateurs, it's not for the first timers. So this is absolutely freezing, but as I said, it is winter wonderland loading. Gulmarg, places like Sonmarg, beautiful with white carpet of snow. And if you move to Srinagar Dal Lake, thick sheet of ice on the Dal Lake, absolutely freezing. And this cold wave is going to be felt across North India in the coming days. IMD says that this mountain cold obviously has its ripple effect across plains, and that is something that's going to happen in the coming days. So brave, in fact, brace up for intense cold as far as Delhi and other areas of North India are concerned in the coming days, and also fog, dense fog in the morning and evening times. With camperson Muzaffar Ahmed, Mir Farid, Dal Lake for India Today.